Hey everyone, today we're excited to announce a new feature called Scene Change Detection, available on the desktop version of Closed Caption Creator. Let's jump in so I can show you how it works. So before we start, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to call it Scene Change Example. And I'm going to select a video file from my local storage. It's important to note that when you're working with scene change detection, it only works if the file is stored locally, so it has access to scan the media for those scene changes. And I'll come down here and I'll hit Create Project. Awesome. And then in order to detect those scene changes, it'll do it automatically when you hit play. There we go. And in the top right, it'll start the scene change detection. It'll scan the media, and then eventually you'll see a green box that says scene changes have been found. Once the scene changes have been found, let me zoom in here. You'll notice that on my timeline down here, I have these red markers, right, which denote scene changes. So there's a scene change there. There's one here. And then here's another one down here, and there's about 4 more here. So that's great. So we found all of our scene changes. Now you're probably asking, what do I do with these? Well, the next part of the feature is being able to snap your events to those scene changes. So if I create an event here, and an event here, and I call this event 1, and I want that event to actually start on the actual scene change. That way it looks like the caption text is appearing with the scene, which is what you want. You can come up to the format option now and hit format and go snap to scene changes. And that's going to automatically adjust the in and the out point to start from this scene change and this scene change, right? Same thing goes for the beginning. So if I have another event here and it starts here and it ends down here, you'll notice that there is going to be a point where it doesn't snap to the scene change. So this tail here isn't going to jump to here. It's just going to stay where it is. But I'm hoping that the start here, right, the head of the event, will jump to here. So if I pull this out a little bit more and I do event 2, great. And I'll remove the space there and then do my format snap to scene changes here. You'll notice that only the start changes in that regard. So the start jumps up into this part here. Thanks so much. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us on our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com. If you have any questions about scene change detection, you can also comment on this video and we'll reply back to you there. Thanks.